Today's topic is criminal investigations and their impacts on police officers. I'm Steve Serbalik, and I'm an attorney with AZCOPS in Arizona. Police officers regularly investigate crimes. My goal today is to provide some background and tips on what to expect and things to consider if you're on the other side of the table, if you are the suspect in a criminal investigation. Today I'll cover the differences between criminal and administrative investigations into police officer conduct, how criminal investigations can impact your future, and what to do if you find out that you're involved in a criminal investigation. Please note that this is a general summary, not legal advice. The most important thing for you to know is if you find yourself in trouble at work, or if you're worried about any type of investigation, please contact a representative as soon as possible. Experienced representation can provide direction and counsel, but only if you ask. The first major difference between a criminal and an internal investigation is that in an internal investigation, the target of the investigation can be compelled to participate as a condition of employment. Criminal investigations are different in that the target has a Fifth Amendment right to decline to make a statement. In other words, you have a choice as to whether you will talk when you're the subject of a criminal investigation. Criminal investigations also necessarily involve multiple levels of review. For internal investigations, your agency can decide what steps will be taken against an officer if misconduct is sustained. For a criminal investigation, a prosecutor will review the reports and make an independent judgment as to whether criminal charges would be appropriate. Additionally, criminal investigations into police officers often, but not always, have conflict concerns. So it's not unusual for departments to request outside agencies investigate potential criminal conduct. And remember, if you're under a criminal investigation, you have the same constitutional rights as every other American. You have the right to due process, the right to an attorney, and the right to remain silent. Criminal investigations can have significant consequences for you and your family, for your job, for your record, and in your personal life. Just being under a criminal investigation can impact your ability to perform your job. Some departments could place you on administrative leave or otherwise restrict your responsibilities as the investigation continues. This may sound obvious, but criminal investigations may also lead to criminal charges and possibly a conviction. In Arizona, a conviction or plea to a felony charge is automatic grounds for revocation of peace officer certification. If you're under investigation, make sure that you consider your actions carefully. Guard your words and actions to minimize the investigation's impact on your future. If you are contacted by the police, first and foremost, don't make a rash decision that you may regret. Assume that you're being recorded and say as little as possible. Next, don't rush any major decisions as to whether you're going to provide a voluntary statement or any other evidence. Remember, investigators have a job to do, and their job is not always consistent with your own personal best interests. My recommendation is to take down the investigator's contact information. Let them know that you may provide them with information in the future, but tell them that you want to talk to your lawyer first. That's the key point. Just like everyone else in America, you do not need to make any other decisions alone. As an involved subject, you have the constitutional right to an attorney. Take it. Even if you don't believe that you did anything wrong. If you're contacted by a criminal investigator, and particularly if you're advised that you're a criminal suspect, get advice from a lawyer before you decide if or how you'd cooperate. If you're an AZCOPS member, this consultation is covered under our legal plan. Once again, the most important takeaway is this: ask for help. Whether or not you did anything wrong, lawyers like me are here to help you navigate through the criminal investigative process, as well as many other significant issues that you could face as a police officer. When it comes to criminal investigations, there is a lot at stake. Don't go at it alone. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to help my channel grow. Please share this video with anyone else that you know that you think might find it helpful, and be on the lookout for future videos. They come out every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time. I'm Steve Strabalik. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.